Worst Cooks in America. Premiered 2010 More Worst Cooks in America. The best Worst Cooks in America winners, ranked celebrities we want to see on Worst Cooks in America. Good Eats Reloaded. Premiered 2018 More Good Eats Reloaded. 88 of 180 the best new shows that premiered in 2018. 44 of 71 the best TV reboots and revivals. 214 of 220 the best new reality TV shows of the last few years. Chopped Jr. Premiered 2015. The Layover. Premiered 2011 More The Layover. 9 of 45 the best travel TV shows. 9 of 36 the best food travelogue TV shows. 5 of 29 the best travel channel TV shows. Throwdown with Bobby Flay. Premiered 2006. East Meets West. Premiered 1998. James May O'Cook. Premiered 2020 More James May O'Cook. 270 of 394 the best new shows that have premiered in the last few years. 406 of 638 the best original streaming shows of the last few years. 43 of 45 the best current shows that deal with millennial stuff. Worst Cooks in America. Dirty Dishes. Premiered 2021 More Worst Cooks in America. Dirty Dishes. 259 of 474 the funniest TV shows of all time. 45 of 84 the worst TV spin-offs. 49 of 74 the funniest shows on TV right now. Guys Grocery Games. Premiered 2013 More Guys Grocery Games. 21 of 59 the most watchable cooking competition shows. 68 of 83 reality shows that involve actual skill. 4 of 36 the best current Food Network shows. Jamie's 30-Minute Meals. Premiered 2010. Restaurant Impossible. Premiered 2011 More Restaurant Impossible. 266 of 398 the best reality TV shows ever. 36 of 86 the best Food Network TV shows. 6 of 19 turn things around with the best shows about saving failing businesses. Jamie at Home. Premiered 2007 More Jamie at Home. 132 of 514 the best Channel 4 TV shows. 4 of 22 the best Jamie Oliver shows. Rank. Essence of Emeril. Premiered 1994. Trisha's Southern Kitchen. Premiered 2012. Cutthroat Kitchen. Premiered 2013. Chef's Table. Premiered 2015. The Next Iron Chef. Premiered 2007. The Naked Chef. Premiered 1999. 30-Minute Meals. Premiered 2001. Nigella Feasts. Premiered 2006. Chopped Champions. The Frugal Gourmet. Premiered 1983. Two Fat Ladies. Premiered 1996. Everyday Italian. Premiered 2003. Yan Can Cook. Premiered 1982. The Galloping Gourmet. Premiered 1969. Good Eats, The Return. Premiered 2019. Paula's Home Cooking. Premiered 2002. Iron Chef USA. Premiered 2001. Top Chef Masters. Premiered 2009. Louisiana Cooking with Justin Wilson. Premiered Cajun Chef Justin Wilson. One of the first cooking shows I was introduced to. Loved him. Beat Bobby Flay. Premiered 2014. Iron Chef America. Premiered 2005. Hell's Kitchen. Premiered 2005. America's Test Kitchen. Premiered 2000. Unwrapped. Premiered 2001. Top Chef. Premiered 2006. More Top Chef 310 of 339. The best TV shows of the last 20 years. 98 of 166. The best TV shows returning in 2020. 13 of 112. The best reality competition series. The Pioneer Woman. Premiered 2011. The Great British Bake Off. Premiered 2010. More The Great British Bake Off. 25 reactions to the new season of the Great British Baking Show that are worthy of Star Baker. The best Great British Bake Off winners, ranked 8 of 28 current TV shows that basic bitches love. The French Chef. Premiered 1963. Junior Masterchef. Premiered 1994. Ramsay's Kitchen Nightmares. Premiered 2004. More Ramsay's Kitchen Nightmares. 9 of 59. The most watchable cooking competition shows. 12 of 398. The best reality TV shows ever. 4 of 55. The very best British reality shows, ranked. Emeril Live. Premiered 1997. Barefoot Contessa. Premiered 2002. More Barefoot Contessa. 13 of 36. The best current Food Network shows. 5 of 86. The best Food Network TV shows. Diners, Drive-ins, and Dives. Premiered 2006 more diners, drive-ins and dives, 287 of 640 the best TV shows to binge watch, 43 of 72 the best feel-good TV shows. Chopped. Premiered 2009 more Chopped, 12 things you didn't know about competing on Chopped, 19 of 45 the best current shows you can watch with your mom. Masterchef. Premiered 2010 more behind-the-scenes stories from the Masterchef franchise, the best Masterchef winners, ranked 15 of 44 the best current Fox shows. Anthony Bourdain, No Reservations. Premiered 2005. Iron Chef. Premiered 1993. Good Eats. Premiered 1999 more Good Eats, 107 of 538 TV shows cancelled before their time, 1 of 29 the best food documentary series.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.